All right, Council, we're going to move on now to item 2.5, which is our presentation, discussion, and possible action on a resolution regarding health and safety protocols in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Kennedy. Yeah. Whereas this is a proposed resolution, these are the proposed resolution elements. Whereas on March 2nd, 2021, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued Executive Order GA 34, providing that no person may be required by any jurisdiction to wear or to mandate the wearing of a face covering, and that no jurisdiction may impose a penalty of any kind for failure to wear a face covering or failure to mandate that customers or employees wear face coverings. And whereas, according to the Texas Department of State Health Services, COVID-19 spreads mainly from person to person, especially between people who have been in close contact of each other. And when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes, droplets from their mouth can spread through the air or from contact with an affected surface. And whereas College Station businesses, schools, and other establishments are all essential to the local community and desire to continue to operate safely. And whereas the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention promotes best practices of wearing a face covering, maintaining social distance of at least 6 feet from those not in your household, and washing your hands often. Now, therefore, next screen. Be it resolved by the City Council of the City of College Station, Texas, Part 1, that the facts and recitations set forth in this resolution are declared true and correct. Part 2, that the City Council hereby affirms that the threats posed by COVID-19 continue and necessitate adherence to the mitigating protocols, such as wearing a face covering, maintaining proper social distance, and observing good hygiene practices. Part 3, that the City Council hereby agrees, in the interest of the health and public welfare of the College Station community, individuals are strongly encouraged to wear face coverings over the nose and mouth whenever it is not feasible to maintain 6 feet of social distancing from another person not in the same household. Part 4, that this resolution shall take effect immediately from and after its passage. Period. I have one slight change, and that is in Part 4. This resolution is only a resolution. It is not an ordinance. Therefore, it does not take effect. It does, however, express the agreed upon thoughts of the City Council.
Is that standard language, Brian, in any resolution?
Yes, sir. I'd defer to legal on the particulars, but yeah, my understanding is it's just standard language for resolutions.
And it doesn't say anything more than that, so it's standard language.
Well, I don't know that this is not a standard situation.
Well, but the resolution is standard. I mean,
well, and
I'll bow to the attorney.
Mayor, that it is standard language in a resolution, and you want to include language in your resolution that indicates the date on which the council took action on it, so that you have a date for your records.
Well, there we go. Then this resolution was agreed upon by the City Council on March 22nd, 2021. Period.
There you go.
If that's legal and the city attorney approves it, I'm okay with it.
It's unorthodox, but
it's legal.
I think it's fine. Just keeping in mind that a resolution does not have a legal effect, I think it would be fine.
But you have to do this.
Can we vote with this change then?
Is there another word for resolution?
No, it's a resolution.
It is it's a statement. It's a statement of fact. That resolves a statements of fact.
Is there another word for resolution?
Yes, okay. Dr. Nichols has called the question. All those in favor of the resolution as amended, raise your hand and say aye. Aye. All those opposed, same sign. Motion passes unanimously. Ms. Kunha being absent.